When you're looking for solutions for challenging problems, a lot of times you're not going to have that within your industry already, and it's super important to look outside of our industry to see how other people may have solved a similar problem. So we had this rehab project on the Blue Water Bridge in Port Huron, where we had to replace an existing link. But we had to hold down the existing bridge while we replaced the link, and temporary support was very challenging. We actually used an idea from gusset plate strengthening to be able to connect the temporary support to the end of the bridge, which kept us from having to go down to the ground or have some much larger temporary support. So what that idea is you replace the existing rivets one at a time using long bolts, longer than what would typically be necessary. So after you fasten the bolt on, you've got a longer shank sticking out, which enables you to connect something else to it. You put a special fill plate that's able to go around the nuts that are there on the bolt that enable you then to connect a new piece of steel. In our case, it was a connection plate that we used to connect a temporary link. So we used the idea that's typically used for gusset plate strengthening to attach an accessory item to the gusset plate, and that's where we were able to pick up the bridge from. So it's really important in these situations to look at the ways that we've solved similar problems but in different circumstances. And that can really just open the realm of ideas for any number of things you can do.